Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we finally received the parts from Partzilla. The fuel line was back ordered forever. That was a key part. We couldn't put this thing together without the fuel line. So let's open up and see what we got. So what happened? I must have hit it and it stopped recording. But so here's the new bumper assembly we got. We got the new brake line. And the new fuel line, which I just popped on here, and to show you it works. I don't know why it stopped recording, but so it runs mint. Got 235 miles on it. If you guys don't remember. So like I was saying, I was going to, before I realized it didn't pop on, I was going to jack up this front and, yeah, see if we can place this brake line.
Brake line goes up.
They're both banjo fittings. All right. Get the right wrench. Pop that banjo bolt off. Let's see here. 13. Not broke. Oh, why does this have a double washer on the banjo bolt? Huh. Let me take a look at that. Figure that out. I'll bring you guys back. Oh, let's see. This thing was leaking like a sieve. Oh, right. No? Wonder if. Wonder where that was coming from. Got that new brake line, but let me spray this off with some cleaner and wipe it down. Maybe we'll get lucky and it got loosened up. Oh. Well, where's the bleeder screw? Well, I think the brake line might be fine. How did I not notice that before? It's missing the bleeder screw. I think the line is fine. Well, let's put that back together. And see if we can find a bleeder screw. That's why it was leaking. That's why it looked like it was leaking out of there, because I didn't even notice that. Well, I'll probably be able to return the $60 brake line. Man, do I have... I don't know. It's one thing I probably don't have is a spare bleeder screw. But let's move on and take this off. We'll replace this front bumper, that way we can start putting plastics back on it. Ouch. There we go. All right. Get some tools. That. Size is that? Oh, lucky guess. All right. Let's see. This is a 13. All right. All right. Take that afterwards. Oh, that's kind of weird. This new one bolts to the outside. All right. Oh, that doesn't line up. Makes me a little concerned that something bent that I'm not seeing. I wonder if I could put a jack from here to here to get that to go up. I wonder if this right here, oh. Okay, this tower's bent. Man, I didn't even notice that. I'm gonna put a jack in there, see if I can lift that up and tap that in. Let me bring you guys back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this bottle jack in here. I'm going to hit that right there with a hammer. So if you can see, I'm putting pressure on that. I gotta hit this in. So we're almost there. Almost there. I need to grab a Let me try this. Try this punch. See if I can hit it more straight on.
working. Almost there. So close. I think we can get it. I think we're just about there. Look at that. Got it. I didn't even notice that wrinkle right there when take this one up first, see what it does. Wind this one in. All right. Lower that, see what happens. There. I don't know, all we can do is just see what it does. That back in, that goes down there. That's supposed to go right there. Okay. Let's keep going. We got I gotta pop this regulator off. Let me get a 10 millimeter. Let's see here. Might be an 8. I'm gonna grab an 8 too. Yeah. Let's see. No, it's a 10. I was right. Let's get this off. This weather strip, gotta put back in here, that fell out. There. There. All right. Just gonna put a zip tie on this so it doesn't flop around. Grab a zip tie. So guys, Facebook Marketplace bid again. I gotta go pick up another project later today. Guys, I'll have to stay tuned, subscribe to see what that might be. I'm not gonna say anything until I pick it up. It's something different. It's different than what I usually do. But yeah. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'll keep it or just get it going and turn around and sell it off or something. All I'm gonna say is not anything to do with the ATV. So I'll let you guys think about that for a minute. Get some clippers for that. I'll put one more right there. That one. There. All right, that's on. Let's see if we can try to get these fenders on. Like I said, these fenders come off of 570. Pick them up. Polaris Sportsman. That. Let's move this at like 2 while we're doing it. Just give us an extra little room to get this by. See if that will do it. millimeter. Gonna pop that off. Let's see, what do I got? Which one that is. Oh, first try. Okay. Oh, memory trying to put this thing back together. Okay. How am I supposed to tighten that up? gotta get in a better habit of taking things apart, putting them in bags. It's gonna be a while before I got parts. It took a month to get that fuel line. Insane. T25. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place today. Got a lot going on. That. All right. I know all manufacturers use them, but man, sometimes I wish they'd really get rid of these push pin things. That. Let's see here. Gas cap. Now let's put this headlight back on. Get that back together. Rubber gaskets. That. And let's put that back on. Yeah, so if you guys want to put some comments down below on what you think I picked up from Marketplace this time, I'd be interested to see what everybody thinks. Maybe some will guess it, I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna go get it in a couple hours. So I might even reveal it on this video, who knows?
Just see how things go. Okay, there's that. Let's see here. Get some push pins for these side panels. Let's see here. Need a zip tie for over here. Still waiting on a new coil to come. I'm just using the one I had off that 06, which was the same, but it's broke. I ordered one, just hasn't come yet. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm just gonna zip tie this one up here for now, just to get it out of the way. The other one comes. All right. More of these lovely push pins. I had a bag of them and I went through them all. I'm about to order probably some more parts for this once we get it together, see what we're missing, but probably order another bag just to have, because I mean they're on everything nowadays. Man, somebody's really stuck in there. Oh, let's see here.
Hey guys. Getting there. It's almost all back together. Well, there, guys. All the parts I got is back together. I gotta pull off this 570 label. I picked up a cover on Facebook Marketplace yesterday. The guy stated it was for a 22, but it doesn't work. So I still gotta order one of those. I gotta order the lower front panel here. Power Sport Nation has those. I gotta get a light bulb for it. Still gotta take a couple more pieces off these old fenders. Let's see if it starts this morning. I still gotta find a seat for it. I think this seat here works. Let's see here. It should work, but must be just a little bit different. See if she starts this morning. Yeah. Have to check the fuses for the lights. I don't know why those aren't working. So the sad thing on this, as much as we thought it wasn't bent, it's bent. Just enough. Slight little tweaks. I mean, we're just gonna keep it. We'll ride it. We'll use it. I'm not gonna sell this one. I don't feel comfortable selling to somebody knowing that it's not right. I'm gonna move the truck. Gonna take it out, run it around. See how it feels. I still got to get that bleeder valve for that brake caliper. Yeah. No, I think we're just gonna keep it. I think we're just gonna register and keep it, and we're running next year. I just don't, like I said, I don't know. I just don't feel right selling it, knowing that it's still tweaked a little bit. We'll see. But my plan is right now, I think we're just gonna keep it and run it next year on the trails. It's a little dinged up and banged up, but hey, it is what it is. But let me get this stuff moved, guys, and
we'll pull it out, we'll run around the yard and see how it feels. Like I said, I still gotta take a couple more pieces off those fenders. Maybe I'll do that before I take it out. Gotta put these pieces here on. Yeah, let me just do that real quick. And we're right here, might as well do it that way we can put these fenders in the back.
Back here, you little nut. I'm probably never do that again, huh? Oh, goodness. Drill those out with a rivet. Just leave those here for now. All right. Put the shirt on. Move the truck.
saying low, I'm in high. Still gotta adjust that. Yeah, gotta fix that. Well, guys, it's probably going to be on this one for a little bit. Yeah, I got to get some more parts for it. See how it's leaning? I'm not sure what's causing that. I still got to figure that out. There's something still going on with it. I don't know. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks, and see you next time.